Do you ever feel stuck at your desk, bored and uninspired by the daily grind? Imagine transforming that feeling into one of pure triumph, celebrating the success you've worked so hard for. It starts with building confidence, standing tall with the self-assurance that you can handle anything that comes your way. It's about unleashing your inner superhero, ready to fly past obstacles and reach new heights in your career. Of course, the path isn't always clear. There will be moments of confusion where you'll need to pause and think things through. You'll have to present your hard work, sharing your valuable ideas with others, and be ready to welcome new partnerships and opportunities with open arms. A key part of the journey is dedicating time to learning, absorbing new knowledge that fuels your growth. There might even be shocking setbacks that take you by surprise and test your resolve. But through it all, you can learn to find your center and enjoy quiet moments of progress. Get ready for those amazing breakthrough moments when a great idea strikes and opens up a world of possibilities. Don't let yourself slip back into just sitting and waiting for things to happen. Instead, re-engage with your work, finding joy and purpose in what you do every single day. Transform your desk from a place of boredom into a hub of achievement and fulfillment. Your potential is limitless.